Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today I'm going to show you how to jump your vehicle if you have a dead battery from the engine compartment and where are the terminals located. Now, to jump it, you're going to have to find the lug. Right over here, we have a negative lug. Put the light on here. This is the negative lug. Where's the positive? All right, what they do, they put it in an inconvenient spot. Right in the middle over here, you're going to see a plus sign, little door. All right? Now this door, you're going to have to push it until it comes out. You see it says push. It'll be like this. You push it, okay? And then it exposes another door. So, to get to that, you need a little screwdriver. Get a little screwdriver and put it in this little slot right here, and this will lift up. I already did it. It's just a little tab. And here, right there, is your positive terminal. This lug right here. This lug right here. Nothing else. All right, that's where you put the positive first, and then you put the negative on the other terminal like that. I'll show you what it looks like. You put the positive first on the terminal like so. See where it is? Make sure it doesn't touch anything. Then you put the negative on and make sure that the other ones that are going to hook up to a vehicle or a charger are not touching. All right, then you put the negative black on the negative terminal. Then, if you're going to have a car, you make sure that the positive goes on the positive side plus terminal of the vehicle, the donor vehicle, and then the negative goes on the negative battery terminal of the donor vehicle. And then you let the donor vehicle idle for about 5 minutes, give a nice charge. Maybe you could rev the RPM on that car maybe to like 2,000 RPMs. Give the battery a nice charge, a nice little bit of juice, depending how dead the battery is, and then try to start the vehicle. And after you start the vehicle, what you do, the donor vehicle, you disconnect the negative, then the positive, then you come to the car that you're jumping and disconnect the negative and then the positive. And then make sure you put the plastic piece back and that little plastic door. And that's how you start a 2008 all the way up 2020, even higher than that. Most of them, that's where they put it on the Q5 Audis. Okay, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'm going to have other videos on a lot of other things on this car, especially, okay, you're charging the battery. All right, where is it? Stay tuned.